Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates.
IGNOU releases its grade card after the result announcement for every semester. You can access the grade card throughout, and fresh marks are regularly added to it as and when the marks for the subsequent semester are added. The grade card is updated on regular intervals with intermittent addition of assignment marks. The IGNOU Grade Card 2019 for June exam was released on August 14, 2019. Now, there is a lot of curiosity around IGNOU Grade Card. So for the benefit of the student community, we bring here an easy guide in the form of this video to help candidates understand the steps to checking and downloading IGNOU Grade Card and the details to expect from it. Check steps to download IGNOU Grade Card here. First of all, you need to visit the official website of IGNOU, which is ignou.ac.in. Then go to Student Support section and click on Results link. You will find various options like Open Mat, Term End, Revaluation, Grade Card, etc. on the left hand side of the page. You need to click on Grade Card option here. A new window will open wherein you have to select your respective program for which you have taken the test. Further, a new page will open wherein select your respective program and enter your enrollment number. After entering these details, click on Submit button. Your grade card of IGNOU will appear on screen. Your grade card will carry these details. Check here how weightage is given to assignments and theory for calculating IGNOU marks. Also, check IGNOU grading system and grading chart. Now, let us know about IGNOU Grade Card re-evaluation. In case you are not satisfied with your grades and marks, you can get your results and grade card re-evaluated by filling a re-evaluation form online. To do so, you have to enter your IGNOU course code and marks originally secured in the course for which re-evaluation is sought. This request has to be submitted within a month of result announcement. The request form has to be submitted at the evaluation center along with a DD in favor of IGNOU. A re-evaluation fee of Rs 750 per course has also to be paid. The re-evaluation result will be declared within 30 days of submitting the request. Let us also know how to check IGNOU assignment status. You can also check your IGNOU assignment status by visiting the IGNOU official website ignou.ac.in and clicking on assignment status link. Now, enter your 9-digit enrollment number and select your respective program code from the drop-down list. Click on Submit button now and your IGNOU assignment status will open in front of you. The assignment status will have the following details. The exact IGNOU assignment status will be available on IGNOU Grade Card. You have to repeat the process explained earlier in this video to know how to check or download your IGNOU Grade Card and to check IGNOU assignment status.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and visit Careers 360 website for more details.